Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ethereum. We'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours of time. So while this here may look like a couple of months of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis. That's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. And with the movement today, definitely some updates here need to be made. And from a technical perspective, a very interesting dynamic is underway. And for those of you that have watched the past videos, you know probably right where I'm going to talk about here. And it's got everything to do with that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average, and the fact that the price has now broken up above it. And before I go any further, I don't want to come across like this is some sort of little secret discovery on my part or anything like this. Anybody that understands charts, anybody that uses charts is going to be wondering the same thing in regards to, in technical lingo, in trading terminology, what we would call a breakout, because there is a breakout underway. Not only has the price broken up above this red line here, which I've talked about in past videos, but now the price is also broken up above, as I already mentioned, that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. So a breakout is now underway. However, the big question that, again, this is not a secret discovery, but just something that everybody would be wondering is this a true breakout? Does this have true power? And a true breakout has two parts. The first part being the obvious one. Well, yeah, price has to break above a certain level. But then the second part is, can the price maintain above that break? Can it stay up above the level that it's gotten through? And just to kind of give you a quick recap of this, you can see that essentially over an extended period of time, that's a little bit too far, but this purple line here has really toyed with the price. Yeah, the price has been able to get above it. Right here, price got above it. Right here, price actually got above it quite a bit of a ways. But in both those situations, when it came to part two, staying above the break, both times did fail. And, on this failure here, that's where the much bigger move happened. But that's really the key thing here is, by no means am I saying that the price has got to get up to, 1,100 over the weekend. I'm just saying, let's see if the price can stay up above the purple line, and not even over the weekend, because here, this was a longer period of time where the price was able to get above that purple line. So, I mean, even if, Monday comes around and it's still above the purple line, don't get me wrong, that's a great step in the right direction. But, this one has work to do, and we got to see if this movement has any sort of true power, and the true power comes with whether or not the price can start to maintain these gains and stand up above that purple line, and that $840 mark would do a great job in that department. So as I speak right now, again, crypto markets are open 24/7. Things are looking great, and we'll see how they unfold over the weekend, but it's all about establishing that true break, so let's see if the bulls can get it or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.